Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, there is a new development in the world of IELTS, and that new development is the new pattern of conducting IELTS speaking test. In the past, in computer delivered IELTS, they used to conduct speaking test with examiner one-on-one, but now speaking test will also be conducted through online. There will be a screen in front of you, and on that screen there will be an examiner, live examiner, but not physical one. Okay, so that live examiner will conduct your speaking test, and they are going to ask you the same questions. Pattern is same. The type of questions they used to ask you, they are going to ask you the same questions, but now it's going to be online. So you will take your speaking test in front of computer. One of my students from UAE just informed me today that he saw this unusual thing in his speaking test. He took his IELTS, computer delivered IELTS in UAE, and when he went for speaking test, to his surprise, there was no examiner, but there was an LED, 21 inches LED, and they made him sit in front of the LED, and when they turned on the LED, there was an examiner, and that examiner conducted all the tests. Even cue card was shown on the screen, and he was given pen and paper to jot down some notes. So this is the new development in IELTS. So get ready guys, your speaking test can be conducted online, and at present they are only doing this practice for computer delivered IELTS. I don't know whether they are going to continue this with the pen and paper IELTS as well or not, but anyways, this is something new. Let me inform you once again, the type of questions, they are same, sections are same, right? Even cue cards, they are same, but only difference is instead of a physical examiner, there will be a screen and you will meet the examiner live, but that's not going to be actually the physical presence of the examiner, that's going to be the virtual presence of the examiner. So that's all, get ready for that. If you see anything like that, don't get shocked, don't be panicked, this is pretty normal because this is the new trend and this is how they are conducting IELTS speaking. That's all guys, thank you very much. Get ready to take your IELTS online, right? And if you take IELTS online, it's rather better. You can see the examiner and pen and paper is there, and the examiner is going to ask you question, and there is a screen. So now you will be less afraid of the examiner. Thank you very much. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe my channel as well. I teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.